Let's go! Hi, I'm Zain.
Hi, I'm Isaac.
Hi, I'm Nilas. And welcome to the ZEI Brothers channel! Today, we're gonna make orange butter cake! So here's the ingredients.
Make it golden to make it brilliant.
So first, we got sugar, butter, eggs, flour, orange juice and orange zest, vanilla extract, and salt. That's all we need to make the orange cake. So now let's get started. So now we need to start with these 4 ingredients first. If you don't know what the 4 ingredients are, it's butter, sugar, vanilla extract, and orange juice and orange zest. So now let's start with the butter.
Oh, it's a good spill. Oh no, it's annoying.
Okay.
Oh
Now let's go.
no,
Let's move on to
What?
sugar. Sugar.
Look, mommy.
And no, that's sugar.
So salty.
I got some on my finger. And now we need to add in vanilla extract. Make sure everything's gone.
Yeah.
And now we need the last thing, orange juice and orange zest.
Oh no, so fine.
Be careful. Oh my god. Okay. Now we need to mix it.
Oh.
Now we need to add the eggs. Come on, Isaac. And now we need to add in the salt.
Salt. It is so spicy.
No. Just put it in.
That's my
And there you go. Now we need to put in the flour. Oh, that's a lot of flour. Now, put the rest of the flour inside the mixer and then whisk it for the next few minutes. Add it in. Habuk-habuk. Now we need to pour the mixture into the baking pan. Just tilt it over and add in a bit of this, a little bit of that. Higher.
Oh my goodness.
Straight.
Wow. Oh my god.
Now that the mixture is inside the baking pan, we have to bake it. Let's put it in the oven.
Let's go.
Now let the cake bake for a few minutes. Don't forget to get one adult to help you for this part. Now that the food's done, there's only one thing left to do. Eat it! Elias, Isaac, let's take a bite! Yummy!
I like to cut things. Oh, and then take a bite.
Now that's all for today, guys. See you in the next episode. Peace out!
Peace out. Bye.
Bye! Hey guys, if you like our videos, subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any other videos we make. Catch you later!
Bye-bye.